this life. I am an environment journalist. My job is to report on conservation. For over 15 years I have traveled the wilds of India, and now I'm here in Africa to learn more and take you with me on my journey of wild walk.
Huskies, Jack Russells, Cocker Spaniels, most of the 400 pedigree breeds were selectively bred by us to do jobs which needed different shapes, often for very different times and pastimes.
Hi. Hey, Martin.
Yes.
Hi, Martin. Who's that?
Candy?
Candy, who's this?
This is Carmen Miranda.
Is it?
She's daughter.
Look on the middle, you soft girl. How are you? Not a good show for you. Of slippers. Hello. To do?
Originally to bake bulls and fairs and lions and
What, the sports?
You guys having fun?
Easy to show you a
It's Newfie puppy versus Yorkie. Don't know how long this will last.